Welcome to OpenGov TV. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the privilege today of having Isabella Kusumawati, who is the Vice President Managing Director for SUSE Southeast Asia.
Thank you, Mohit.
Good to have you here.
Thank you.
So Isabella, tell me, the word smart nation has a different definition for everybody that we speak to.
Yes.
Can you tell me from your optic, what is a smart nation?
For me, smart nation is actually scale up your skill set to be a future ready and helping Singapore to be a talent hub by leveraging the technology as well as data to derive insight and make our life better.
Interesting. So expand on that for me a little bit, please, because when you talk about those pillars, what are we really addressing over here?
So I think the most important, the four components that are very important to drive smart nation. The first is technology adoption to embark digital transformation. Second is innovation by doing things differently, came with a very creative idea. Third is digital transformation by leveraging technology and software and move and transform the businesses as well as processes from the manual process becoming digital process. And then the fourth is a human resource readiness, is actually willingness to be scaled up and thinking differently, thinking out of the box, move from the comfort zone.
You're right. So if I were to take that a little bit deeper, we're talking about three major components over here.
Yes.
Government, economy, society.
Yeah.
Let's bring them all into play and say, what should they each be doing?
I think to be aligned with the government initiative to build digital economy, digital government, and digital society, it is very important that every government agency as well as businesses, entrepreneur, ourselves to take a part of it and really stepping up to accelerate and embark this digital transformation initiative. And this is where the open source technology play a big part, where open source really empower the customer, the partner, the ecosystem, and society to become technology agnostic, platform agnostic, and open to all society needed. And this is the beauty, really the beauty of the power of many and innovate everywhere.
So basically accessible anywhere, anytime, any device.
Yes.
Right, that's what we're talking about?
Yeah.
So then let's drive this a little bit deeper and tell me, how is SUSE playing a role in this?
We helping a lot of a government agency as well as the customer, right, to simplify their mission critical processes by means is actually really remove the IT complexity. You can imagine the business, some of the businesses, they have a different hardware architecture. They are having a multi-cloud architecture technology, container technology, cloud computing, and a lot of stuff is happening lately. And the second one, we are trying to modernize, right? Modernize the IT operation by streamlining and automating some of the business processing and leveraging really into the technology, the AI, machine learning, the IoT and stuff to make the business become better, the government become better. And the third one is really, we are going faster to respond what the nation needed. That is most important thing, I think.
Interesting. So let's add to this, please. Can you give me some examples? Because you're absolutely right. To simplify things, to make things easier for everybody to use makes sense. So some examples that SUSE has been working on?
Yeah, so some of the government agency imagining that they are coming to SUSE and mention about the edging system that running into their application. But they need to actually managing a lot of mission critical data and also like the time sensitivity decision making process, right? And in the same time, they need to make sure the security and comply with them some of the regulation. And of course, the outcomes that our customer is looking for is really that we are helping them modernizing the IT infrastructure, but of course, still cost efficiency and really like the security, driving the security in the secure platform. You can actually anytime, anywhere to connecting to your data and accessing your data. And the third one is really comply with the compliance because a lot of regulation lately is really strict let's say for the GDPR and stuff, right? So here is actually what SUSE is providing to the customer is really like the operating environment that reliable, scalable, and secure for all the customer to accessing the data with the platform and technology agnostic, of course. And it's really important for the customer and as well as the government, especially to really moving forward and become faster.
Interesting. And thank you very much for that. Actually,
Thank you.
very good insights, I think, for our viewers. Take care,
Thank
Isabella.
you. Thank you. You too.